Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this video, we will show you how to redeem Roblox gift card codes on mobile. So let's get started. First, open your Roblox app. Here, as you can see, we're on our Roblox account in the app. Here, we can go through all the options. But note that you cannot receive gift card codes from the app. So, in order to do that, you will need to go to the Roblox website. I'll walk you through the steps from my mobile phone. You can do it from your PC as well. So first, open your web browser in your phone. And after that, search here, Redeem Roblox. From the search results, you will get to see multiple options. Now scroll down and go to this link called Roblox Gift Cards. Tap on it and go to the link. Once you're in here, you will get to see an option right away that says Redeem Card. So tap on Redeem Card on the top right. So from here, all you need to do is put in the code. And after that, just tap on Redeem on the bottom. As you can see here, I've already redeemed the code, so it's not available for me. So this time, I'll try with a different code. After putting the code in, I'll tap on Redeem. And as you can see, the code has been successfully redeemed. And this way, you can redeem whatever code you want. Also, make sure to be logged into your Roblox account on the website as well. Now, just close your web browser and open your Roblox app once again. And you will be able to use the benefits of the code in here. Thanks for watching, and please leave a like, subscribe, and share.